Good morning. It's July 10th, day 82, and I'm excited this morning. It's a big day. I think in about 5 or 6 miles I'm going to get to the official halfway point. Back in Harper's Ferry they call it the psychological halfway point, but it's not halfway as far as miles go. And today I think I'm going to get the halfway point as far as miles go. It comes at like 1090, something like that, in 5 or 6 miles. So I'll let you know whether there's a big band playing to welcome me. Going about, I think about 20 miles to Pine Grove Furnace State Park. Another sort of iconic place on the trail as well. About 7:15 or so, nice and cool right now. And just about to head straight uphill. So I came down that gravel road. 2, 3, 4, 5 if you count the gated one there. On the AWOL guide, this is called the 5-way gravel road intersection. I guess if you're local, you know which one to take. It's easy if you're on the AT, follow the blaze, but it's easy to get turned around. More gravel road intersections. I feel like I'm in Maine. This one is only, what, 1 way, 2 ways, 3 if you count the gate, 4 there. Maybe I've gone in circles. This is the same one. Now, the other one had 5. So I don't think I'm back at the same spot I was an hour ago. Let's hope not anyway. So I'm just, I think, 3 miles short of the official halfway point for this year. The halfway point this year is at 1096. Every year it changes a little bit because the trail gets rerouted just a little bit and adjusted. And so every year the AT is a little bit longer or shorter. And so, like I said, this year the official halfway point's at 1096. But anyway, if you want to see what I would say is the definitive halfway video on YouTube, and someone really funny and really talented. Go to YouTube, the search engine, and plug in Amplexus, AMPLEXUS halfway video, Amplexus halfway video into the YouTube search engine. And I won't try to describe it, but I guarantee you won't be disappointed. Really good. And certainly infinitely better than anything I could do or say at the halfway point. But I'll be back in 3 miles or so at the halfway point anyway. I gotta say, I'd be lying if I was didn't say. I was hoping it was something a little more momentous than this. I wasn't expecting the band, but maybe at least some kind of big sign. But that's how it goes. Here you go. Less than half that way. Less than half southbound that way. But all I know is stepping over that means I have less to go than I've already completed. So, hoo-hoo-hoo! I'm still hoping that there maybe is a sign up ahead somewhere here. But doesn't matter. I know I've got less to go. Like I said, less to go than I've already walked. I like saying that. Less to go than I've already walked or completed. Here's a little bit bigger and better one. Maybe I'll find a whole bunch of them along this stretch here. Nice big halfway in rocks. Maybe this is all leading up to like a big huge sign with a band. I won't hold my breath. This one's pretty cool. This is pretty funny. So this is the official halfway point for last year. Last year the trail was shorter apparently. Because this year the midpoint is 1096.0, which is actually behind me. So they lengthened the trail a little bit. The official length is 2192 now. And last year it was 2190.9. So last year's people, I want to file a complaint, last year's people got at least a little sign like this. They probably didn't have a band and a welcome banner either, but so I'll still hold out a little bit of hope there'll be something coming up for me in the next couple of tenths, but like I said, I'm not going to hold my breath. Here's a good one. This is what I'm talking about. The signs are getting better. 1090.5 each way, and I'm just trying to see if it had what year. Oh, this was 2011. The halfway point in 2011. Now I'm at 1100.8 and I'm like 4 miles past the halfway point. So every year is different. Onward that way. So I was just thinking about that last halfway sign, and the mileage there from 2011 was 1090.5. So 1090.5. So the whole trail would have been 2181 miles. 2,181 miles. And this year my halfway point was 1096, which would make it 2,192 miles long this year. So 2,192 versus 2,181 would make it 11 miles longer in 2019 than it was in 2011. There you go, arcane facts about the AT. And what have I got? Maybe 2 more miles to Pine Grove Furnace State Park, and the end point for today. Easy trail miles today too, really nice.